Performance Chip Revamp. The finest, most awesomest. I can't even do that. Alright, so this is my update video to the PCR Performance Chip Revamp Performance Chip. It's the make your 4Runner be Gucci go faster. Or does it? So I put this thing on last week, ran it for a week, and I'll tell you what I noticed the most about it as far as fuel economy and horsepower increase, nothing. So yes, I bought this thing totally skeptical, knowing that more than likely it's not going to do anything. And guess what? I was right. So yeah, zero change on fuel economy and zero change on performance. So on the website, I think it said will increase horsepower 30 to 40 horse, something like that. And then if you have upgrades, cold air intake, exhaust, stuff like that, up to 75 horsepower. Yeah, right. So I do have cold air intake on my truck, and I've got a test pipe on my truck. So yeah, it should have done something if, you know, if that's what it says. I think on the fact page is where I read that. So anyhow, I'll post that up right now. You can look and peruse. So anyhow, I emailed them. I was like, hey, super nice email. Said, hey, you know, it doesn't work. I haven't noticed anything. I want to return it, you know, refund, whatever. They charge a 10% restocking fee so they can turn around and sell it to somebody else. Yeah, so be warned. Performance Chip Revamp. No me gusta. Das kaputt. Yeah, I haven't heard anything back on email. Called them 3 times today, and it goes right to voicemail. So they're out in Colorado. So just be warned. You see that, stay away from it. Does nothing, and you're gonna throw your money away. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect it now to put my truck back to the state it never changed from. And yeah, I'm being sarcastic. I apologize. I'm not being very professional. So anyhow, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take it off, and yeah, try to see if I can get my money back. It was like 55 bucks, something like that. I'm not planning on seeing it. So, but yeah, that's my update. That's my review. I showed you guys how to install it, and uninstalling it is going to be clipping some wires. That's it. So that's the update. All right, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. Subscribe and like, leave some comments. If anybody else owns this piece, I'd be really curious to hear about it, or any other quote performance chip. Honestly, and I talked about in the last video, the only way to improve your performance electronically is to have it tuned by a tuner. Somebody knows what they're doing. You got to hook the computer up straight up, Fast and Furious style, and play with your ECU, and the mapping. So. Alright, moment of truth. I just disconnected my Performance Chip Revamp Super Go Faster computer chip, and I'm going to fire up my truck for the first time. I didn't even disconnect the battery. So we're going to see what happens. I think if anything, removing it, disconnecting it, I reduced the overall gross vehicle weight by probably 13 ounces. So I'm going to have more horsepower, and I'll probably go faster. Oh man. Alright. That's it. Enough making fun of those guys. Jokers! All right, later.